Okay, this is my first stop. Check it out. I'm gonna make my way up there. I gotta find out where you get a ticket from. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Right over here. So it's kind of like a shopping mall at the same time. Let's see. Tickets here. All right.
Kinds of two tickets. Only main deck ticket or main deck on top of it.
Okay, on my way. Kind of reminds me of the tower I went to in Singapore. Let's see. Let's see. Construction began in opened in 1958. Deck tour. Here. Let's see, which way? Wait, wow, everybody's taking a photo. Go this way? Okay. Okay. Oh, hello, hello, how are you? Everybody's taking a photo over there. What's this? What's that for?
I don't know.
That's kind of neat. I didn't even know what they were doing there. Yes, I do.
Please come to the top deck gate at this time.
First deck? Okay. Over here? All right. All right. That's what it looks like. See that? Hello.
お近くの窓から東京の景色ゆっくりとご覧いただけます。これより高さ150メートルメインデッキまで約45秒でご案内いたします。Welcome to Tokyo Tower. Please enjoy the view. We will soon arrive at the main deck, which is 150 meters high. お待たせしました。まもなくメインデッキの2階に到着です。トップデッキツアーにご参加のお客様、右手側へとお進みください。
Okay. Wow, look at this. This is what it looks like on this platform. We even got a window cleaner up here. How neat is that? Here's some more views from this tower. Unbelievable. And they have what you're looking at right here. This would be really awesome at nighttime, I imagine. See all the lights. Called the Great Shinto Shrine of the Tower. It was erected July 11, 1977 to commemorate the 20th anniversary of establishment of the Tokyo Tower's owners. See that in the distance? It was even higher. Even further up.
でもフォトサービス、ドリンクサービスをお楽しみくださいませ。Please enjoy the drink and photo service on next floor. お待たせいたしました。こちらが扉開きます。いってらっしゃいませ。
Oh, thank you very much. Wow, this. Hello, how are you? Wow, this is something.
Please wait here. Hello, welcome to Tokyo Tower. This is not top deck. Next, another elevator more up.
Oh, great, great.
This is souvenir photo service. The small photo for free, one group in one piece. The big size photo, if you like it, you can buy. You can choose buy or no buy after see the photo.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay. Hi, thank you. Can we take your photo?
And another. So we're gonna go up one more, right? Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. That's nice. As I make my journey up to the very top. Wow. And we're going to the very top one. Okay, that's the actual top deck now. Okay.
これより高さ250メートルトップデッキにご案内いたします。For Wilson, Oliver Star Top Deck with
There it
200
is.
meters.
Wow. Journey continues to the top.
Go 安心ください。安全装置が作動いたしました。Don't worry, take your time back plank.
Hello, sir. Wow, this is it. We made it to the very top deck. Let's go check this out. How can you get better than this? Wow.
Así hablo yo cuando no ya estoy tomando.
Llevaría un trajecito de esos areles.
No voy a decir nada. No voy a decir ni gracias. No, Arely va a hacer.
333メートルこれからどこへ向かうのでしょうか。世界の技術は日本の優れたカルチャーや技術の数々。
Let's get over the photo counter located on this floor. The vertical souvenir shop, plus the taxi stand on the second floor. Please enjoy. お待たせいたしました。終点階3階に到着です。この後も引き続きごゆっくりとお楽しみくださいませ。
So that was really cool to go up there and see all the floors on this tower.